Hi, are you a student here?
UCT was my first and only choice because it's just an amazing university and the top university, and I just thought like how awesome would it be to attend such an amazing university, so that is why I applied at UCT.
So UCT was my first choice just because my dad studied here, so there was a background and a history, and also the degree program is very good, business science, but also just because of the location of UCT. It's beautiful, below Table Mountain. It's in Cape Town, which I find has such a high quality of life because you have the beach, which Joburg doesn't have obviously. You have the city, you have everything, and that really drew me to Cape Town. And you also have so many different people coming from all over.
I think I'm just looking forward to the campus life. I look forward to meeting new people. I look forward to spending my time around a place that I don't know much about, and I think that'll help me learn about myself, and that's what I'm looking forward to ultimately. Also, I plan to play some sports, like cricket, so I probably want to mingle with people of the same interest as me in terms of sports and people that love watching sports in general.
Yes, it's my first time getting a laptop, my own laptop, so I'm excited to use my own laptop. Normally I borrow my mom's, but now I'm gonna use my own laptop. It's a nice experience. I'm glad UCT offers, because I was worried of how I'm gonna attend my first class without a laptop. So the opportunity of coming and signing up for the laptop was just amazing for me.
This is an opportunity for our first-year students to interact with sports clubs and the different societies that we have here on campus, have an opportunity to sign up if they're interested, and also interact with a few departments that are represented right here. The entire Department of Student Affairs is actually here, introducing our services and how we support students.
Surprised at the amount available. I thought, okay, maybe there's a few things. I was surprised. I didn't even know there was a Tsonga society. I didn't know we had jiu-jitsu and karate. I didn't know you could come and look at financial aid and find potentially back jobs, as well as different companies here. So I was very pleasantly surprised at the variety that I could find. There's something for everybody here, yeah.
The UCT shuttle service offers a one-of-a-kind rider experience that facilitates your hassle-free access to UCT premises and campuses. It is a scheduled service that runs at regular intervals from 6 AM till 6 PM, with a residence loop service that kicks in immediately after 6 PM on weekdays and all day on weekends. Shuttles run between all UCT residences and campuses, as well as Claremont and Mowbray interchange. Timetables and route maps are available for download on the UCT website at www.uct.ac.za under the UCT shuttle page. You can also access these via the UCT mobile app or the Go Metro Move app from the Google Play Store or the iPhone App Store.
We are at the Epic Job Expo today, and we've got companies from tech companies to consulting to accounting firms. So there's a whole range.
I think some of the places here have given me a lot more hope than I had before I came here. And even when I stood foot here, I was really anxious. I was like, I don't want to be here, I don't know what to say. And then when you start speaking to these people, it sounds more inviting and more that there's a lot more opportunities than I thought there were.
The main reason why we, as all the organizations that came together, decided to have this event today is because we saw that there isn't enough youth engagement in civic matters. And we want the youth to take up space, to use their power, and to realize that the youth of South Africa has power. It is our future, and it is up to us to decide how we want that future to look. We're here to show the youth who their possible leaders are. We're here to show the youth who to hold accountable and what they should hold them accountable on.
So UCT Day is not just a day of celebration, but it's also a fundraising initiative to try and raise funds for the two initiatives that were selected for this year. Those initiatives are Unlocking Futures Bursaries, which is basically trying to raise funds for those students who are qualified to graduate but cannot because of outstanding fee debt that they owe to the institution. So any donation that we receive is going to make sure that some of the students can be selected to then graduate. The second initiative is the Food Sovereignty Program. That one is to make sure that the students who are currently at UCT are able to have a satisfying meal so that they can focus on their studies.
I am indebted to the university because of the platform that it has allowed me to gain. My UCT experience has been beyond what I thought it could ever be. So I think for the young women who are going to be entering UCT, don't be intimidated by the space. You are here because you deserve to be here, and you need to walk with that confidence. And with every space that you enter, make your mark. You are here to serve a purpose.
So each and every year, whenever I graduate, we have themes. So today's theme was just going African, going traditional, full traditional. This is a Zulu regalia. This is Ihawe shield, and this is like a stick. It actually represents victory. Today it's a victory day for me. I'm very excited.